This is the condensing unit. It's outside. It's an old Linux. Okay. Model number. It's either 2.5 or maybe a 5-ton, 4-ton, excuse me. So I'm saying possibly a 3-ton. I don't know. I know the age though. I can figure that out. 1995. So what do we got here? It's about 3 tons. 1995. Dirty coils. Not elevated a minimum of 3 inches up off the ground. The disconnect box has not been sealed. The refrigerant piping is not insulated, is partially insulated, and this insulation is the wrong type of insulation. It was okay in 1965. It was even okay in 1995. But since 2015, we have different insulation. We have different caps on our refrigerant service books. Caps on there. R22, no longer manufactured in the United States. No longer imported in the United States legally. Do they still have it? Yeah, they got stockpiles of it. Is it expensive? It's expensive. And they have drop-ins and that kind of thing. But just about any technician that comes out here to service your equipment is going to, rightfully so, is going to recommend that you replace it. So you might as well hear it from me. Might as well hear it from me now. Okay. So let's start this disconnect cover. See the cover? The cover's missing. How about this? Is it open for us? I'm just pawing around at it. I'll be able to get this off. Won't be any question about what happened to me. I'm concerned about getting it back on. Do no harm. Do no harm. Let's get in here. Set you right there. .50 amp fuse. 60 amp. Look at that. Which leads me to believe it's 4-ton. 60 amp. 50 amp fuse. It's underfused. What does it mean when a condensing unit is underfused? It means that this is likely, there's a possibility, and it may never happen, but it's possible that you're going to get a nuisance trip. This breaker will overheat to the 50 amp capacity when this equipment can run to the heat of a 60 amp capacity. So there's nothing wrong with the equipment, but you get what's known as a nuisance trip, because that trip's on a nice hot summer day, and this thing's running and running and running and pulling more amps, producing more heat, because the unit is underfused with 50 amps. This is not a fuse. Okay? Where it says 60, that's not 60 amps, that's a disconnect. That's a disconnect. This is your circuit protection. It's underfused.